I have received an unprecedented and unexpected amount of individual support while I've been at Penn, whether it be from faculty members, staff, or even people like the dean of the law school who have taken time out of their day, their schedules, to set up not just a single meeting, but recurring meetings to talk about my overall career goals and how I could work towards them. The Masters in Bioethics was one of those things.
I wanted to be a doctor. My background's in scientific academia and research, and I thought that the tools of a JD were far more reaching than the tools of an MD. And I knew I didn't want to be a clinical doctor, but at the same time, I really wanted to grapple with these issues in another context. And I think being able to see them from a legal perspective, as well as have the tools and the experiences from a master's in bioethics, I could answer these questions.
Should physician-assisted suicide be available throughout the country? How should we ration medical resources during end-of-life care? First and foremost, I'm just academically interested in the subject of bioethics. Part of the reason that I got drawn into switching to this program was that I think it's only one of, 4 law schools in the country that offers this dual degree program.
The MBE cross-disciplinary experience has a reputation outside of the law school to the point where many employers were already aware of it because they knew Penn Law alum at their firm, or they themselves had actually done the joint degree program. So I interviewed the number of firms where either during the on-campus interview or at the callback interview, I specifically met with someone who had done the JD MBE.
Being able to have classes with doctors, nurses, and be able to know the jargon and to know the healthcare sphere better and from another perspective really makes me a better lawyer because I'm able to be more client-facing. I get to have experience and knowledge that I can bring to the table that other of my peers can't.
More importantly, I liked the career flexibility. Doing this degree made me a stronger candidate to get an externship at the Office of the General Counsel for Penn and Penn Med. So I actually got to work with attorneys for Penn's health system. And I got to engage in, I think, exactly the kind of work that somebody doing this dual degree program would do in the future.
I chose Penn Law to be able to get this extra degree, but I would have chosen Penn Law just on its own.